Hi everyone, just a quick video on cleaner number 2. So cleaner number 2 is our natural stone cleaner and maintainer. Okay, so cleaner number 2 is perfect for any form of natural stone, whether it be travertine, marble, limestone, slate. It is perfect to deep clean it and also to maintain it on a daily or weekly basis. Okay, the beauty of cleaner number 2 is that it doesn't leave any residue when you use it at 1 to 200. Okay, so all we need to do is add 1 cap to 5 litres of water in the mop bucket, mop the floor, and then it will dry and leave the floor streak and residue free. Okay, so the way that works is if you're not leaving any soap or detergent on the floor, what then happens is the job of soap is to grab onto dirt. So if there's none there, when you walk in, the footprints from yourself or the pets, things like that, normally what will happen is the soap on the floor, it'll grab onto the dirt and it'll stick to it. Okay, when the floor is residue free, what you'll find is that the floor stays cleaner for longer. So we find a lot of our customers that use this product, they might mop it on a Saturday, normally with their old product, even by Sunday, Monday, the floor's starting to look patchy again. Okay, with this, they'll find that come Wednesday, Thursday, the floor's still looking good. Okay, and that's all to do with not leaving any residue or detergent on the floor. Okay, the beauty of it as well, it's pH neutral, so it's pH 7, so it doesn't damage or tarnish any of your trims, your cooker, your fridge, anything like that, so it can be used safely around the home. Okay, the other advantage is it also, if you have a party, a barbecue, something like that, you can use the product a little bit stronger, whether it be 4 to 1 or 12 to 1, and then what will happen is that'll deep clean the floor, but what you then need to do, because it's stronger, it will leave some soap behind. So what you then need to do is just mop the floor with just fresh water, and that'll just clean it back and neutralise it. So then the floor is residue free, and again, then you're back to that perfect state that you want. So it can be used anywhere around the home, whether it be the kitchen, the bathroom, your hallway, and anywhere you've got natural stone. Okay, so if you want more information, check out the YouTube channel, subscribe to see more videos like this, and if you need any more info, feel free to call us on 0161 444 0377. Thanks for listening.